Hi, my name is Saurabh. Welcome back to my channel, Saurabh Learning Word. Please subscribe, guys.
A is for alligator, snappy and sly, splashing in the swamp as he winks one eye. B is for bear, big, bold, and brown. He dances in the forest, twirling around. C is for cat with a curious purr, chasing little shadows with a gentle fur. D is for dog who barks at the moon. He howls a happy tune like a furry cartoon. E is for elephant, mighty and grand. She sprays cool water with her trunk so tanned. F is for fox, so clever and quick, dashing through the trees with a sneaky trick. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat, nibbling on leaves way above our feet. H is for hippo, heavy and wide, splashing in the river with a jiggly slide. I is for iguana, heavy and white, basking on a rock in the sunny light. J is for jaguar, speedy and strong, he leaps through the jungle all day long. K is for kangaroo, hopping with glee, with a baby in her pouch as cute as can be. L is for lion with a golden mane, he roars so loud like a rumbling train. M is for monkey, swinging in trees, tossing little bananas in the jungle breeze. N is for newt, tiny and shy, peeping from the pond as frogs jump by. O is for owl who hoots at night, watching from a branch in the pale moonlight. P is for penguin, waddling line, sliding on ice, oh what a time. Q is for quail with feathers so neat, she struts through the grass on tiny feet. R is for rabbit, bouncy and sweet, with floppy ears and thumping feet. S is for snake, slithering slow, wiggling through the grass with a hissy show. T is for tiger, fierce and fast, his orange stripes go flashing past. U is for urchin, spiking around, rolling in the tide without a sound. V is for vulture, soaring up high, gliding in circles through the wide blue sky. W is for whale, the biggest of all, singing deep songs that echo and call. X is for x-ray fish, see-through and bright, glistening scales in the water light. Y is for yak, fluffy and strong, he hums in the hills with a woolly song. Z is for zebra, striped black and white, galloping freely in the morning light.